It's a make me go fast kind of day.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are making the Bronco Raptor faster with my favorite Ford Performance tune. We're not only gonna do that, but we're gonna get some Dragy hits, some before, some after, and then we're gonna add some more parts of this thing to hopefully make it go even faster with this tune, and that is installing the Process West intercooler piping or charge piping to this. Now, Process West is very known in Australia, and we use them a lot with our Ranger Raptor products. Well, we did some testing, and some of the stuff does cross over to the Bronco Raptor. We will go more in depth about all of that and the mods that we did right after we get this thing installed. But first, let's go get our stock Dragy hit numbers. All of the mods you see in today's video, it's available at buckleupoffroad.com. Yeah.
30. 60.
I think we got a good base hit. This thing is so fun to drive even without a tune. We're gonna install the tune. I'm not gonna go step by step on how to do that. I have a ton of videos. If you're interested on doing a tune like this by yourself and not using a dealer, you can check out one of the videos above. One thing I do want you to keep in mind is technically you're supposed to have a Ford dealer install this to maintain or to use the Ford Performance warranty. However, I've installed this on every single one of my Broncos, even on other people's Broncos, and I've never had any issues. I'm not telling you you should do it and save your money, but I'm also not telling you not to do it, if that makes sense. We got the tune installed. If you're gonna do this yourself, make sure you follow the instructions, do it at your own risk. But now let's go get a Dragy hit after having the tune installed. Woo! Woo!
30. 60.
Not bad. Definitely has a pep in its step. It ended up being a half second faster than stock. So to me, the ProCal, totally worth it. But now we're gonna go back to the shop and we're installing the Process West charge pipes on this thing. The Process West Stage 1 intercooler piping kit replaces the factory plastic with 2.5-inch mandrel-bent aluminum. This is available in red or black. This kit ensures optimal airflow and cooling efficiency. Like I mentioned before, we have this installed on the Ranger Raptor. Unfortunately, right now the Process West crossover pipe is not compatible for the Bronco Raptor. There's a couple little changes they have to do to make that compatible. The intercooler also doesn't fit. But hey, at least we have more options for the Bronco Raptor, and I'm ready to see what this thing does with the Dragy. Fun. I don't know if I'm just becoming a better driver or what's going on, but we were a quarter second faster than our hit with the tune, and we're almost 3/4 of a second faster than stock. That blows my mind. That makes me even more excited to do more performance type mods to the Bronco Raptor because clearly it's a performance beast. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe for all the best Bronco, Ranger Raptor, and Bronco Raptor content. All the stuff you saw in today's video is available at buckleupoffroad.com. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.